Howdy cyber surfers, you've landed on Innov 8 Edge, the cybernetic safari where we delve into the digital jungle. And today, we're embarking on a covert operation, transforming your internet activity into a ghost in the machine, invisible to the prying eyes of your internet service provider, ISP. Picture your ISP as that nosy neighbor who's always peeking over your hedge, sniffing out your Wi-Fi signals and blabbering about your browsing history at the local potluck. Not exactly the neighbor of the year, huh? Did you know that in some regions, your ISP has the legal right to hoard your browsing history, app activity, and even the sites you visit on a loop? It's like starring in a reality TV show where your internet searches determine the next plot twist. And here's the kicker. They can sell that data to advertisers, government bodies, or anyone with some spare change. Imagine your awkward Google searches becoming the talk of the town. Now, we all have those moments when we crave a little internet solitude, free from the scrutinizing gaze of our ISP and the relentless ads that trail us like an overzealous fan. Perhaps you're investigating a surprise gift, scheming a hush-hush vacation, or simply probing the age-old mystery, why are cats obsessed with boxes? No matter your motive, privacy is paramount. All right, enough chit-chat, time to gear up. Here's your roadmap to becoming an unseen internet ninja. Step 1. Call in the VPN. Picture a VPN as a secret tunnel under your garden, whisking you off to an ISP-free internet wonderland. Opt for a robust VPN with powerful encryption and a plethora of server locations. It's like having a master of disguise with a suitcase full of aliases. Step 2. Say goodbye to tracking cookies. These are the digital breadcrumbs you scatter across the internet, broadcasting your whereabouts. Regularly clear your browsing history and cookies, much like a spy wiping their prints off the scene. Step 3. Message encryption. Consider messages as postcards soaring through cyberspace. Encrypt them with tools like Signal or Proton Mail, making sure only the designated recipient can decipher them. It's like penning secret notes in invisible ink. Bonus round, incognito mode. It's not foolproof, but it's akin to donning a superhero mask for your browser. It won't erase your tracks from your ISP's view, but it will stop them from being logged in your browsing history. It's a fleeting disguise that evaporates after use. Disclaimer: these tips are purely educational and don't ensure absolute online invisibility. Laws and regulations fluctuate across regions, so keep abreast of the latest and stay informed. And there you have it. By adhering to these steps, you can regain your privacy and become a friendly phantom of the internet. Remember, knowledge is might, and in the digital realm, privacy is your secret weapon. So stay safe, stay inquisitive, and continue to unearth the hidden gems of the internet.
Subscribe!